Hey guys, welcome everyone here to our Crypto Tips channel. I'm going to teach you the step-by-step process of creating your Tom wallet so that you can use it to receive these airdrops that are happening all the time. We've got Hamster Kombat, we have YesCoin, we had NotCoin which was successful. There are several others that are happening all the time. And to be able to receive these airdrops, you need to have your Tom wallet and the Telega wallet ready to receive these airdrops. So I'll teach you the step-by-step process of creating one and the currency you need to have inside it so you can interact, withdraw and send the cryptocurrencies that are being airdropped. So come join us. I'll teach you this tutorial, and if I have time, I'll also bring for you a step-by-step guide to get started with Hamster Kombat. Let's see what the purpose of the video will be. If it gets too big, we'll make a second video. So come with us and follow these initial steps. How do we start with our Tomcoin wallet? It's the wallet for receiving cryptocurrencies and airdrops, which are happening all the time with cryptocurrencies. For those who don't know what an airdrop is an initial project where you interact with the project by interacting with the social network. That is, you like and subscribe by interacting so that the social network of that project grows. Sometimes there are interactions that you need to be making, such as investments, doing network tests. That is, doing tests on the network, doing tests on the application. So doing some tests also sometimes have airdrops of this type, of this magnitude, where you are testing the network, testing the project, the airdrop, testing in this case how the application is working, how the platform is working, the website itself. So sometimes with this they also give some scores, and these scores upfront when the project is launched, listed on some broker, on some exchange. You'll exchange these points for cryptocurrencies. So that's how many people are making a very high volume of money. We're not talking little, no. Talking about 12,000, 15,000, 20,000 just participating in these small tests, only participating here with interactions. So there are airdrops that are even free. The NotCoin airdrop was a very specific case related to this, where several people were able to interact with the NotCoin project and were able to receive the exchange of points for the cryptocurrency and managed to do a lot there. They managed to make $200, $300, $1,000 there just by participating in these airdrops. So that's how the airdrop mechanism works. You do the test, you interact with social networks, you do net testing. So with that, you'll be able to get there and be able to receive new cryptocurrencies or possible points to exchange for new cryptocurrencies, which is the case that's happening with Hamster Kombat and also happening there with YesCoin, which is like the NotCoin pair. So let's understand how to create your wallet, because it's no use joining this project. If you don't have the wallet ready, a created wallet, you won't be able to then exchange the points for crypto and throw them into Tom's own wallet. So let's understand here. I'll leave the link both in the video description and in the first pinned comment for you to open this page here, which is Tom's official page. That is where you will be able to create your wallet on Telegram. If you don't have the Telegram app, just download it from the Play Store or Apple Store. You can directly download Telegram from the Play Store or Apple Store. You can download the latest version of Telegram and be able to create this wallet from scratch too. Here we are on the tom.org page. And I'm going to take advantage and leave you the link to these airdrops happening both from YesCoin and Hamster Kombat. You'll be able to log in once you create your wallet. As I said, here's the entire tutorial on how it works, how the wallet operates, the integration, everything you do with it, and you use Tom's wallet through the Telegram app itself. So you have to have the Telegram app downloaded on your cell phone. Some things will only work on the cell phone, and those who want to use the web version can also use it, but not everything will be functioning in the web version. Some things only work via the app. So to get Tom's wallet, we're going to click up here. This will open up the section where we can get it, and now just click up here where it says get wallet. Clicking here will open the page you're already familiar with, which is the page you use to interact through the. I'm already opening it here on the big screen, but the intention is the same for opening it on the cell phone, just so that you all can see how it's going to work. It's easier to visualize here. It appears here that we've already logged in. I'm going to click up top where it says Start Bot to be able to open it in our wallet, open in our account here at Tom Wallet, wallet on Telegram. That is a wallet with Telegram for you to engage with cryptocurrencies, easy to buy Bitcoin, easy to buy Tomcoin, and also easy to use SDT, send to friends, to everyone for free. It's convenient to use with Telegram itself. With the Telegram menu, I'm going to click here to open wallet. Let me see if you're able to see. Let me zoom out here. I actually zoomed in, so here it got bigger. We're going to click down here. I think it's written here, Open wallet, clicking here will begin the interaction. In this part here, we're going to click here to tick here to say that we agree that some applications, some apps here are totally independent from Telegram itself. I'll click here to confirm. Here will open the wallet for us. It's opening here on the screen. So we're already creating our wallet here from Tomcoin. Here is the wallet. There's Telegram. Here is buy, send, and so on. Let's click here. Let's go. Let's click here to go to the next step. Here our wallet already appears. It's already created right down here. If we click here, more assets, Tomcoin itself will appear here. Tomcoin itself will appear here, not coin. Bitcoin, by clicking here on Tomcoin, we can even be clicking here to receive. Clicking here to receive is where we will be receiving Tomcoin, so that we can be doing some activities here that require the cryptocurrency. Here, the native cryptocurrency of the Tom wallet is Tomcoin itself. We can use there to do swaps, to interact, to send to someone and pay the small fees. We will get an airdrop. So you'll be receiving the cryptocurrencies. You need to pay the small fees to receive these cryptocurrencies in your Tomcoin wallet. I will click here to continue. Here it will ask us to put our phone number here for verification. I will click here to continue also. Here it asks me to make contact with the chatbot. I will click here. Contact. Here it will ask for my first name, second name. Here the date of birth. Here the date of birth, and then we will be able to interact and receive this code and verify our wallet. The next step is the following. Guys, we're going to click here. Actually, we're going to click, for example, on Tomcoin, and we're going to click here on receive. Just an example, because here it's going to open for us so we can get set up for receiving cryptocurrencies. We'll release our QR code, and we'll also release our wallet address. I'll click here to give a got it, in other words, to give an okay. And here it says that our transaction limit per day is 3,500 euros, which gives here a very high value for us in our currency. Just so you understand that this is the key thing it tells you, so you can start using it. And if you do another verification, you can increase your limit even more. It goes to 100,000 euros. Let's click here and give it an OK. And now it gives us the QR code, which we can take and send to other people, so we can receive cryptocurrencies by getting some airdrop projects. Here will be your wallet address via QR code. And down here, down below, we have our own Tomcoin wallet address, where we can also receive them. Sending this wallet address is for receiving the cryptocurrency Tom, the cryptocurrency native to the Tom wallet app. That's how you're going to receive Tomcoin itself. If you want to send Tom here to your Tom wallet, there are several brokers that already have Tomcoin listed. I'm going to show you, and there you can already send the cryptocurrency Tom here, so you can conduct small interactions, even paying some fees when necessary. Try to bring information as soon as possible about Tomcoin where it's listed, where you can buy it to send to your Tom wallet by clicking here on the CoinMarketCap website. To search for the cryptocurrency Tom, click here and Tomcoin pops up. And here was the position of the most used cryptocurrencies, the cryptocurrencies with the highest market volume on the market here. Clicking on Tomcoin, you can already see that it's evolved a lot in these latest years. So each unit of Tomcoin cryptocurrency costs $7.60. It's still at a much lower price than other days. It was being 7.69. It was practically hitting 7.70. If we put in the last 7 days, Tomcoin rose 3% from its price. So 7 days ago, it even hit here 780 and so on. Just to help you understand, down here we click here in market. I'm going to go down here so you can see community. We want to see which market is able to acquire the token with the entry, or something like X here, a broker, also a centralized one. This broker is also one that we use quite a bit. The link is also here in the description and in the first pinned comment. And one of the other ones that we also like to use a lot is the actual guide broker that we make extensive use of in various things there that you can use to earn cryptocurrencies. Drop is also very cool, and here are some other also very famous ones. Beat, Phoenix with the coin, and Max Global, not yet listed in the neighborhood itself yet. It still does not have a listing in the base. I still believe that it can possibly be that soon this listing may happen. Bing X Beatgas also uses it a lot. Here we also use it to make these interactions. Others here, there are also several other brokers that are already listed. Tom itself, through decentralized networks, also PancakeSwap. So today it's easy for you to buy and send Tom with your wallet into your wallet from Tom Wallet, just to bring it to you so you're aware of where you can buy. Then I'll make a video on how to buy. Let's see now how we do it to be starting in the combat branch that I wanted to bring to you. I kind of started to create Tom Wallet, and now I'm going to teach you how to get into this, because if the wallet's created, It's no use if you can't interact after you get the points. It's practically useless. Let's understand now how we do it. Here to enter, for example, the combat branch. Today we are here with the combat branch. The link that I'm going to leave is going to be exactly the same as this one, where you're going to click and it's going to open here for you. To be able to join this small group where you can participate, I'll click here to check out the Avios web. When you click, automatically Telegram will open up for you to interact with this new project, and here directly from the app we can start doing the final configuration for the next step, for your next step, the next step, and get it to start. We can earn that 5,000 when you click, and by the link that I'll leave in the description you'll earn 5,000 coins right away here in the combat branch by clicking. We've already received, here it is, and now we can start from the beginning. Here's the close, and now we can be doing it by clicking here. I'll keep receiving points, but the cool thing here is not to keep clicking. By clicking on the screen, still on touch, you'll receive more points obviously, but the cool thing here is the following, guys. It's here, you're getting here more points per hour. This is where you're really going to be getting ahead. The airdrop is up front. So for us to get it, we'll keep trying by completing daily tasks here, releasing more here for us to get more and more points. Now another option here besides clicking here on the screen is this. Come to the earn here in the earning section, and you, by completing tasks, you will earn more points right here. Look here, if this YouTube video here, enter here, this other video, each one of these here will give you 100k points, and do the daily mission here, get 6,649 points. Clicking here to set a mood will give us 500 points. We've already won. Yes, and by coming here daily, you'll be receiving more points until on day 10, you get 5 million points. If you go downstairs, enter here through Telegram 5, Twitter 5, and whoever chooses an exchange gets 5, and inviting more friends is 25k points. Choose an exchange. They will make it here for us to choose. Choose any exchange, guys, anyone who'd like to pick one. For example, here's one like any other. I'll put it here. Okay, here. Oh, Sing at Contact and Wi-Fi. Okay, Lokiak CEO. Let's see here if it's already been done. Let's see down here. Let me see. I think it's already been done, but it doesn't appear here. Entering these others here, you'll earn more points. The team you guys choose, you have to click on check here. It'll come in handy. I've already clicked here, and then it'll be worth 5,000 points. Great, it's already done. We also won here. The complete one that's checked here. Connect Twitter and connect Telegram. Be careful, friends. More points and watch these videos. I'll give more points. Still without here. It'll give 100, 200, 300,000 points. I'm going to click here so we can see it. He can watch the video. It already says that I have to wait an hour to be able to check in. Clearly you have to wait. Then we come back here again to clarify and do it here for everyone. The video was just opening there and getting things done, so let's get back to the home page, guys. We're already here with 10,000 points. We've already achieved all of this. Here we're putting together the part of the earnings. We have the airdrop here and can be connecting our Tom wallet so that we can be making the drops. Won't help much by just clicking here. I'll click here to paste. I'll click here first to connect. Then I click here to connect. And here I'm going to collect the open wallet in Telegram, and once collected, here it will establish the connection from our Telegram, that is Start Exploring Tom. And here's the thing, guys, here your space readless back, he's telling us to take this and take our little keys words and keep them here so that we can later pick up anything that might happen with the phone. If we lose something, we can find these little keywords here and be able to connect our wallet. I'm going to click here. I'm going to get my keywords. I'm going to write them down on this piece of paper to keep here and avoid any problems later. And after you make a connection there with your wallet, it will look exactly like another one here on my phone. Connected, then you just copy the phrases there, write them down on the paper, then you go to the next step, then you click on making the connection from the hamster and then give the OK. You will make the connection here with your Datom wallet coming back here. Oh, we can already see here on the main page that we can be completing here. We are on the main page. Here's the main page. Clicking here, we're receiving some little dots and such, and here we come in the mine. We can be doing. So here every day, guys, there are some cards that we have to be doing the tasks here to be able to match them. Okay, so making these connections here, these cards, I cover them and such. You will be able to increase here, and then making the 3 here. You can even make each one of them here. You can be making more and more points. Okay, so you're doing all of them here and the special ones and such, and there you can win too. Here we have to be doing this here, doing this here, doing level 1, winning 1,000 here, 2,750, and here we earn more and more points. The more we can complete, the greater the chance of winning here, of this amount of points here, and winning the combo of the day. So basically it's like this, guys. This is how we're going to earn, by clicking on the screen, doing the daily tasks here as well, where you complete and earn more points. Okay, and there's also a little code that comes every day, a little code. I'm trying to put it on Telegram. I'm going to leave our Telegram link here below, where I put the code that you can use. I show the code every day, and I also put here how it's going to be for you to be able to pass of these daily cards here, that you upload them here. You earn, the more you upload here, the more you unlock others as well, which are blocked. Then you have to doing some others here. When you click, it already says that you have to do something else to click and enable these ones that are blocked. So ideally already upload a few here and complete the daily one. You earn more and more points. Okay, here for example, this here, completing it will give you 5 million points. And also completing the code of the day, you will earn some points. I'll make another video explaining this later, but basically that's it, folks. By doing this, you will keep earning points. Here's the gist. Completing this, which gives points per hour automatically, here in the mine, you start getting more scores. They say that this is where you will get the airdrop when exchanging your scores for the token they will give you in the future when you list this whole thing. So basically it's like this. For example, I click here to level this one, it's done, and we managed to do it. We do one, we do the other, and we release more and more points, okay? You do this, you release the points, then you start winning. For now, here you are earning more per hour too, and then you are doing all this here to earn more and more points. The more you do, the more you are releasing, the more points you are earning per hour up here. You see, let me go back here on the main page. Oh, you're already earning 550 per hour automatically here without having to keep clicking. So the ideal is for you to make these stops here, or for you to complete this here of the day 2, and then you can earn more points, and you go up here, which then you will automatically earn per hour here without having to keep clicking. Okay, it will help more and more you here also to make these points there. The ideal is to do this every day so that you can release more and more resources here, and being able to automatically increase the score without you having to keep clicking here. And you have already released some here. We will click and release, go on, do, go on releasing, go on clicking, go on releasing, go on clicking. The more you do, the higher will be the score that is giving here per hour. Is already at 820 here in the automatic. So do it there to get more points and more scores, and I will bring you there on our Telegram daily. There the photo here of the code of the day, and what is also the cards of the day here to get you to be able to complete. There is also a hug to everyone. Bye. I went.